Hello! Welcome to Abby's Phonics. Today we've got a new sound. It is a phoneme, which means there is one letter and it makes one sound. And it looks like this. So this letter makes the sound D. And when we say this sound, you need to put your tongue right at the top of your mouth, like this, and say D. Are you ready to practice? My turn, your turn. D. 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 Brilliant! I love how you make the D sound. Now can you think of any words beginning with this sound? What about a pet that lots of people have? We take them for lots of walks and they make a barking sound. That's right, a dog. Shall we use our sounds? Are you ready? D-O-G. Dog. Your turn. D-O-G. Dog. Well done. Let's see if we can think of another word. What about a man who looks after children, a son or a daughter? That's right, a dad. Are you ready? D-A-D. Dad. Your turn. D-A-D. Dad. Brilliant. Can you think of another word? And it's something that we do if we have chips and ketchup. We get our chip and we dip it. Are you ready? D-I-P. Dip. Your turn. D-I-P. Dip. Good job. That's starting to make me feel a bit hungry. The next word is something that we make when we go out into the woods. We get lots of sticks and we put them all together and logs. It's called a den. And I'm sure lots of you have been making lots of secret dens. Are you ready? D-E-N. Den. D-E-N. Den. That's it. Fantastic. The next word is a bit like a circle, but think about, what do we call a circle that's really, really tiny? That's right, a dot. D-O-T. Dot. Your turn. D-O-T. Dot. I am so impressed with your sounds today. You have now learnt the D sound. Make sure you keep practicing this and then you can go on to learn all of the other sounds. Subscribe to my channel for all of my phonics videos. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Well done. Take care. Bye.